How to recover your crypto with Tangem Backup Cards. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you on how you can recover your crypto using Tangem Backup Cards, a secure and super easy process. Whether you've lost your card or your phone broke, as long as you have those backup cards, you're covered. I'll walk you through the exact steps, share tips to avoid errors, and explain how Tangem's technology keeps your funds safe from recovery disasters like this one. And so before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. First things first, let's talk about the basics. What are Tangem Backup Cards? Tangem cards are real, physical NFC smart lock, or the smart cards that holds your private keys. When you initially set up your wallet, you get 2 to 3 backup cards that store copies of your keys. These cards are air-gapped, tamper-proof, and don't require internet access to store keys. All you have to do is to go ahead and scan those cards at the back of your NFC-enabled phone and you should be good to go. So when you need to go ahead and backup card for recovery, you want to use your backup cards if you lost your primary Tangem card, if your primary got broke or erased the main wallet, or if you got a new phone and need to restore your wallet. You want to go ahead and recover after a device failure is also one of the key factors out there. So all you need to do is to go ahead and use any one of your backup cards, plus you want to use the Tangem application and your mobile devices. So how can you go ahead and start getting ready to recover your card or using your backup cards? Basically, before we start, you want to make sure that you have one of your backup Tangem cards. The Tangem Wallet application is installed and up to date. You also want to make sure that you have a fully charged phone with NFC enabled, and lastly, a stable internet connection. So how can we go ahead and start the process? All you have to do is to simply head over to the official application of Tangem, install or open the latest Tangem application on your iOS or Android, and then you want to select Recover Wallet or Import from Backup Card. After that, you then want to scan your backup card. You can just tap the backup Tangem card to the back of your phone, and you want to make sure that your NFC is enabled for your devices. You can just head over to your settings and from there, make sure that NFC is enabled. The NFC module reads your card's private keys and recovery data. From there, you can just go ahead and confirm the wallet identity. The application displays your wallet's name and a short fingerprint. You want to double check if it matches what you expect. For example, backup 1 of 3. You then want to go ahead and create a new primary wallet card. You want to use the application to write down data into a new unused Tangem card if you have one, or designate this backup card to become your new active one depending on your own setup. From there, you can then go ahead and finalize the recovery. The application rewrites the keys on the card and regenerates your wallet. After a few seconds, the application confirms recovery is complete. So, the last step is going to be verifying our balance. You want to go through your wallet's dashboard to check all of your crypto balances. You should see the same assets and balances as before on the card that you have lost or destroyed. Now, some testing and security tips. You want to always restore with a backup first, not your main card. You want to verify the last 4 digits of the card secure IV shown in the application. After restoration, you want to scan the card again to confirm that it works. You want to store the other backups offline. You never all at once. And if you still have your old Tangem card, you can then go ahead and keep it as an extra backup. Now, what if you don't have any backup cards? If all Tangem cards are lost, you cannot recover your private keys. Tangem has no recovery system without at least one card. The only possibility is if you backed up your recovery phrase elsewhere. Through this breaks the Tangem's no phrase security model. So if you go ahead and lose all of your physical cards, unfortunately there is no way to recover it. Now some tips to go ahead and avoid wallet loss. You always want to order 2 to 3 backup cards during setup. You want to keep them separate, secure, physical location. You want to label them as backup 1, 2, 3, etc. and never store them together. And lastly, you want to consider using a fireproof or waterproof case. So basically, that's all you need to do to go ahead and start recovering your account using the Tangem's backup card. Once again, it's as simple as opening up the Tangem application, scanning your backup card at the back of your phone. Once again, one of the most common issues when doing this is making sure that the NFC is enabled. Other users have posted that this method did not work because their NFC is not enabled. You also want to make sure that your Tangem application is up to date in order to avoid glitches and errors. And from there, you can then go ahead and confirm the identity after scanning your card at the back of your phone. The application displays your wallet's name and a short fingerprint. Basically, if this shows up, it means that your recovery has been successful and you can then go ahead and finalize your backup by choosing to create a new primary wallet card. You want to use the app to write data onto the new unused Tangem card, or designate the backup card to become your new active one or your new main card. And lastly, the application rewrites the keys on your card and regenerates your wallet. After a few seconds, the application confirms the recovery is complete. So that's how easy it is to simply recover your wallet with the Tangem backup cards. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. As you can see right here, you will be able to go ahead and avail the 3-card set, the 2-card set, the family pack, and lastly, a Tangem ring. You can go ahead and avail these cards if you click on the number of sets right here. And so with this method, you will be able to go ahead and do this fast, secure, and eliminates the hassle of seed phrases. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto security tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions about Tangem backups. Stay safe and keep your crypto secure. Thanks for watching.